Hari Om. I am Devika Bhide, and in this video I am going to discuss about third and most popular limb of Ashtanga Yoga, asana. What does asana mean? Does it mean taking and releasing various postures for weight loss? No. Though asana facilitates weight loss, it's not primary but byproduct of asana practice. Meaning of word asana is asane, to be, being stable in particular state or position, and thus movements which are performed to attain and release asana are not included in the definition of asana. Asana is a state attained, not process of attaining it. But here we make mistake, and then comparison between asana and other type of physical exercises starts. Let's understand basic difference between these two. Other physical exercises involves very speedy, fast movements which consumes lot of energy and creates tension on our respiratory and circulatory system. But in asana, we practice very slow and smooth movements which conserves energy and also improves our overall body functioning. Other type of exercises mainly focus on physical aspect of our body, but asana focus on physical as well as mental aspect of our body. Reference of asana can be found in various old scriptures, including Vedas, which were designed around 5,000 years ago. As per these scriptures, definition of asana in gist is that posture in which mind introspect oneself. As per Patanjali, asana progress in 4 levels. Let's understand these levels one by one. First level is sthirata, stability. Asana should be performed very slowly and gently, and once we attain the position, we have to be stable in it for some duration. Second level is sukhakarakta, comfort. Asana attained should be comfortable physically and mentally, and that is why one should practice asana in his own capacity, without force, without jerks. Third level is prayatna shaithilya. Once we attain stable and comfortable pose, we should deliberately try and relax all the muscles of our body. That is called as prayatna shaithilya. Fourth level is Ananda Samapatibhyam. Once we attain that stable, comfortable and relaxed position, we should withdraw our mind from our senses, our body, and channelize it towards limitless, boundless, supreme power behind this universe. Regular practice of asana gives one stability, strength, flexibility, health, and improves overall functioning of our body. It also has mental benefits. It reduces stress, anxiety, depression, and gives one clarity and confidence. Can you learn asana through YouTube or Instagram? It's not recommended because asana creates pressure, strain on your muscles, and it also stimulates your internal organs. And if not done properly or with incorrect posture, then it can harm you over the period. That is why get inspired through YouTube and Instagram, but learn asanas properly under expert guidance. Hari Om.